Here are 3 things that you need to know about the Christ University entrance test. Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is going to be a very informative video in case you are appearing for the Christ University entrance test, which is going to happen very soon. No matter whether you're appearing for a BBA program, law, BSc psychology, BCA or any course, please make sure that you watch this video till the very end. First thing that you need to know about the Christ University entrance test is that it is an MCQ based test and it has negative marking. One of the biggest doubts that I was getting from people is, Bhaiya, do we have to write essays or do we have to write this or is it objective? No guys, they will give you a question will pop up on your screen and then there will be 4 different options out of which you have to select one which will be the correct answer. So A, B, C, D is there and you need to tick on the correct one. So all the questions, even whether it is for quants which is related to maths or data analysis and interpretation or even the logical reasoning or any theory related question, all of them are going to come in the MCQ based format. Along with that, yes guys, in Christ University entrance test, there is negative marking, which means for every correct answer that you do, you will get 1 mark. Whereas for every question that you get it wrong, you will get a minus 0.25. Please understand this very carefully because your strategy of test taking will really depend on negative marking. I'm not going to say that play really very safe, which means that only correct or only answer the question that you know 100% for sure. I'm not saying that. You obviously have to take risk, but please make sure you can balance your risk or you're taking calculated risk, which means that if you're 60-70% sure of an answer, please take that. If you're not at all sure for an answer, please don't attempt it at all. I know so many students after the exam would come to me and I'll be like, how was their exam? And then they'll be like, Bhaiya, we attempted all 120 questions. And then I'll ask them, how many will you get correct? And then they'll be like, maybe 60, 70. Guys, if you're getting 60, 70 questions correct, while the others are wrong, minus 0.25 into the remaining number, you can do the math. So please be very vigilant about this and keep it in mind while you're taking the test. Second thing that you need to know about the Christ University entrance test is that in the year 2024 or from the year 2024, they have moved to an online setup for the admission process and specifically for the entrance test. Guys, please do not watch my previous videos relating to this because all those videos were relating to the entrance test which was happening online. So like last year, 2 years back or 3 years back, everybody would sit in the comfort of their homes and they could take the test. But now that is not possible. You have to go to a test center. Christ University has tied up with various test centers across the country where you have to go and take the test. So you have to step out of your home. Now, along with that, one doubt that I'm getting from students is the test center available in each and every city of the country? The answer to that is no. Guys, the test center is not available in each and every city. That means if you come from really tier 4 towns, small villages or even tier 3 towns, there is a highly likely possibility that the test center is not there in your town. Now, what do you have to do is you have to select the location which you already would have if you already filled the form of the nearest test center. And that is where you will have to go and give the entrance test. I hope that is clear. Another doubt that I was getting along with this is that do we need to get our parents along? No guys, you don't need to take your parents along whenever you're going to go for the entrances. If they want to accompany you, they're most welcome to do it, but they'll be outside while you'll be taking the test inside. At the same time, if you guys are independent enough, brave enough, or if you have people from your own towns and cities going or taking the test, you can go all do it by your own self. So you don't necessarily need to take your parents along. Thirdly, relating to the cutoffs in the Christ University entrance test. Another very important thing for you all to note is that Christ University is the closed curtain process. Everybody, even when they're booking their personal guidance and doubt clearing session to me, is asking, Bhaiya, what is the cutoff of the entrance test? Will I be able to clear the cutoff if I want to go for the interview, micro presentation? Please listen to me for 1 minute very carefully. Like I told you all, that Christ University's admission process is a closed curtain process, which means they will not tell you individually whether suppose this guy called Rahul has appeared for the process, whether his entrance test was good or bad or did he score 90 out of 120 or 65 out of 120. They will not tell us any of that. They will directly give us the result at the end of the whole admission process that congratulations Rahul, you have been selected, or sorry Rahul, you have been rejected, please attempt again in another round. Along with that, confusion that people have is that only if they clear the entrance test is when they'll be invited for the interview, which is happening 7 days or 6 days later. Guys, to answer your question, everybody who has filled the form for Christ University, whether it's their Delhi NCR campus, Pune Lavasa campus, Central campus, Yashwantpur campus, you all have to appear for the interviews, for the micro presentations and the newly added skill assessment. In case if you don't know what is skill assessment, I've already made a video on that. Please go watch it. At the same time, you have to appear for the interview and the micro presentation. Again, to clear your doubt in a better manner, even if you score a 0 on your entrance test, which means you just go, attempt it and come back, you still will be invited for the interview and the micro presentation. So to answer your question, you have to go through everything and then we will get our result. They will, in fact, even if you get rejected, they will not tell you that, sorry Rahul, you did bad in the interview, but your entrance test was really good, but we will not be able to select you. They will not tell any of that. I hope this bit of it is really clear, because so many people are like, Bhaiya, we have taken your personal guidance session, we will take your interview preparations once we get the result of the entrance test. And I'm like, boss, there is no result of the entrance test. You have to go through everything. One more thing people are thinking is that, oh, if we miss the entrance test, we can still go for the interview. Yes guys, you can still go for the interview, but it's going to be of no use, because if your entrance test has 0 marks, even if you get like full marks in your interview and your micro presentation and your skill assessment, I still don't think you will be able to make it in Christ University. These were the 3 major doubts that I was getting from all you people, and I hope these 3 things about the Christ University entrance test is like fully crystal clear to each one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. At the same time, I have put down the link in the description below of my interview preparation 101, decoding micro presentation sessions, skill assessments, as well as personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Guys, please book up your sessions as soon as possible and see me for all kind of preparations or counseling needs that you have. If you're confused about a particular course, you want to work on your strategies for the entrance test, or you wholly want to prepare for the interviews and micro presentations, you can ask any Christ side. They have surely taken those sessions before they've joined in, and I'm pretty sure I'll be of good help to you all. Thank you once again for watching this video till the very end. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below if you have any doubts. Subscribe to my channel, because I'll be making tons of videos relating to your preparation strategy, free material even for other colleges and their entrance exams. So please keep me subscribed, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys, bye bye.